Hi everyone, I'm Charleen Caabay. I'm the first Filipina to win Food Network's Chopped, and I shop here at Island Pacific Vallejo. This is my hometown. I love it here. I love shopping at Island Pacific for a few reasons. One, the price. I mean, there's tons of sales. Two, the quality. Everything is fresh and fresh. Oh, it smells so sweet. And the customer service, I mean, it's like familia here. You go in and they're so helpful. And the top one is, I mean, there's so many selections, so many flavors from home, back in the Philippines, and I could get pretty much anything that I need to make the dishes that I love.
Thank you for shopping in Island Pacific.
Oh, thank you. Yes, I love shopping here. It's my hometown. To all my fellow Vallejoans and out-of-towners, y'all have to check out Island Pacific Vallejo. And another tip, check out PhilHouse, home cooking, Filipino food, barbecue on a stick, tilapia, pancit, all you can eat there.